The S&P 500 is showing a strong and steady rally, and Elliott Wave analysis suggests this upward momentum may not be over yet. The current structure appears to be a nesting impulse, which is a powerful bullish formation that typically leads to extended gains. After a corrective wave 2 that bottomed out earlier this year, the index started a fresh move higher from the 4823 level. This rise is unfolding within a larger wave 3, which itself contains smaller impulsive waves, a sign of strong market confidence. As long as the S&P 500 remains above the key zone of 5765 to 5768, the bullish scenario remains in play, and further upward movement is expected. Once this current leg of Wave 3 completes, we may see a short-term pullback in the form of Wave 4. However, that would likely be temporary before the next wave higher continues the overall uptrend. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.